Hello, my name is Larrylison Jaffet. I'm a Chinese Mandarin tutor. For the past few years, I've been helping many people to know how to read, write, and speak Chinese language fluently. And this has been helping many of them in their businesses. Do you know that you learning Chinese language can create business and job opportunities for you? How? In African country, millions of Chinese citizens are moving down to Africa to establish their various businesses. And most of them, 80% of them cannot speak or understand English language. So, you knowing the language is an opportunity for you. You are there to translate for them, to be their translator, and they are going to pay you huge amount of money. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'll be making videos on how to speak Chinese language. Expect some videos like the alphabets of Chinese language, vocabularies of Chinese language, consonants of Chinese language, and also the vowels of Chinese language. We are going to discuss more of their vocabularies and some grammar points and some of their basic sentences. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive or to see our videos every Sunday by 10 p.m.